10 different designs. This should double dose of your daily now, I guess, so we can recover from the one missing day from a hurricane.
2.
2.
One day with Q&A. We should do one day with Q&A in the week too, everyone. What do you think? Can I get the other glitter?
Okay.
You know, we can bring it up the topic of how can you able to like introduce with the clients. Isabel, can stay still, please. Kind of want to ombre this, and it's white black. Is that mine?
Yeah, I think it's like same thing with Eric. They got kicked out. We got one too. But it's the first time we got kicked.
Oh, that happened.
But we're back.
Can you see okay on Instagram and Facebook?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you want to see one nails marbling?
Might as well. I just want.
We can do that as well.
So Isabel, do you have any opinion to 10 different finger, 10 different design? You can say your opinion. The lady listen to you.
Yeah.
What opinion?
You can talk now. You may start to talk now.
You may speak.
So I do 2 different glitter.
Isabella, I haven't talked to you guys for a little while, so she's
She-
shy now.
She miss you
I don't know what
guys.
to say.
She said you all ladies can remember me because I don't know, I'm gone for a few months. I said, you're fine. You just say hi to everyone. People talk about, ask about you.
Right? So Isabella, say hi.
Hi.
Oh, I like this nail already. You can leave it there alone by itself. Or we can start putting some cute. I'm putting some clears on this. So whatever you want, do you want to add just really thin clear of whatever you want to add it on? Do not do it too thick. The reason it is too thick, then it's okay, but then when you cap the clear, it might be too thick for you underneath. So I try to do in the base really thin. If you, in case you cap it thick, you can always like buff it off. But if you do it underneath too thick, then if you buff it off and all of your glitter and your leaves is gonna gone though. So the base should be kind of thin, so then you can always fix that if you needed it. You can do more leaf. You can layer them on the top of each other, like do a bunch of them in there if you want to. I'll do that. So if you want to have it stick it on or add more clear, usually I can put it on, but I under so many lights right now, so it's set really quite fast. I can do one more here and a little glitters here. Cece, is that cold up there in your in New York now? Up in New York now? Can do one kind of an orange one. So on the treasure box is Halloween's fall and Halloween treasure box. You have another leaves. A fall leaf is beautiful too. I love that one too. That one is smaller size than this. So we're gonna cap this one. Isabella, she's scared when a hurricane hit?
No.
Yeah,
Maybe.
she does. She's really good. She
Emily was more scared than me.
Yep. Isabella's
Scared
just on her TikTok all night. She's just don't care much.
No, the internet was out. How was I supposed to watch TikTok?
So the night that was hurricane hit, we watched Mulan together. And my laptop still have some power, so we're able to watch Mulan until late. It hit about maybe 2 o'clock in the morning, and it did all night long. It's so weird. I never experienced it in my life at all. Like, I think it goes slow, but it's so much windy. That's why it damaged of all the powers, because all the tree falling down.
Trees were naked.
The tree, Isabel said it's a tree is naked. It's peeled off. And then a lot of trees falling on the power line. And plus that it's rained a lot, so caused a problem of a lot of places got flooded, and a lot of places still not get a power back on. So we amongst one of lucky, you know, like people get the powers. But our powers went out first than anybody else, so we got it back first. So a lot of places don't get power until like after the storm, the hurricane. So we got it right before it even hit really in the land. So we got it back first. So hope all of people in Pensacola will get the power back soon.
No, but for the most part, everything is clear now. We're just waiting for all the power, the street light, traffic lights to be back, and then we'll be okay.
Yeah, it's just not about hurricane, and like it's just hard because when it no power, so a lot of people don't know what to expecting. So when they're driving, they don't stop for you. For like four-way stop, they do not stop. So cause a lot of accident yesterday on the top of things. Okay, I'm gonna shape that one.
Yep, Isabella been worried about TikTok getting banned too. She was crying like, where's she gonna go
I
now?
was not crying.
Almost. Whining. Maybe. Is that right, Isabella?
Yeah.
Yep.
Why? She said whine.
She's so sad because she and her 300 followers not gonna see each other no more.
No,
Live
it's
back.
316.
There you go,
Oh.
to the point. 316.
Livas, are you on TikTok too? Eric, you on TikTok too? I got TikTok 2 years ago and I don't know how to use those. All right, so we talk too much and I keep... Okay, Isabella, I'll turn that one. Maybe you should... Yep, there we go. I'm gonna save that one for...